you a beginner that is looking to make money online with no money, no website, no audience? Then this video is for you. I am going to explain to you what you need to know to start making money online as a beginner using affiliate marketing. So if that sounds like something you are interested, then keep watching. The first step I am going to share with you, affiliate marketing, because the way we are going to make money online is with affiliate marketing and nothing else, because we are beginners like myself. I am a beginner, and I just found this platform that as a beginner with no website and no audience, I'll be able to make money online, because I was searching through the internet to find which platform to make money online. I got confused with overload money make online videos. I have been watching plenty of it, and I know it is very confusing. When you start how to make money online, you search on Google or YouTube, you are going to see tons of videos that you will be even confused. So that is how I was, and I just found out this one that I know if I do it, I can easily do it and make money online. So it is going to be like a challenge to us. It's anybody that is watching this video now, is going to be a challenge. I am going to give us a 7-day challenge. What I need you to do is to save this video, so that when you come back, you are going to share your experience, your testimonies after this 7-day challenge of going through what I am going to share with you in this video. So the first step we are going to take is join an affiliate program. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, as a beginner, affiliate marketing is basically you going to get a product, then you refer somebody to buy that product, and you get paid for bringing somebody to purchase that goods or services. I hope that is clear now. So now, how are we going to join these affiliate programs that will give us a link, and how we are going to promote it? The next step now is how are we going to sign up for affiliate programs, and what are some affiliate programs that are for beginners. So I have been searching through the internet, and I found one which is called Fiverr. If you don't know what Fiverr is a marketplace where people sell their services online. So it's, for example, maybe I am a graphic designer or logo designer. I go to Fiverr, I put up my profile, I tell them this is what I do as a beginner. This is what I do. I am a logo designer. You put up a profile, you put up some of your works so that they will see it. Then immediately you put up your work out there in Fiverr, someone will come there and check your profile to see what you are capable of doing and buys your service. Once the person buys your service from you, Fiverr is going to get a commission, and you as a freelancer too is going to get a commission. But right now we are beginners with no skills, no money, nothing. So how are you now going to make money as a beginner? That is what I am going to share with you in this video. So what you need to do now as we beginners, because I myself, I don't have a skill. I am a beginner with no skill, no money, nothing. So that is why I am in a good fit to share with you. Normally most of all these online tools, they are already established. They have established audience, so it is easier for them. Although most of them start from scratch, but now they are no longer there. I am starting from scratch. So if you follow up with me, we are going to do this challenge together, and it will be fun, guys. So I want you to save this video, watch this video to the end, save it, then later you come back to you. So what am I trying to say in essence? As a beginner with no website, no audience, no skill, you are not going to sell your skill on Fiverr, because you don't know how to design the logo, you don't know how to edit video, you don't know how to do anything. So how are you going to sell? How are you going to make money online in Fiverr? So basically what you are going to do is to go to fiverr.com and sign up as a Fiverr affiliate. It accepts everybody, because most of these affiliate programs, they don't accept beginners, because they will require websites. If you want to sign up for an affiliate program, they will tell you where is your website, put your website. But this Fiverr affiliate doesn't require you to sign up with a website. It is just for you to sign up with your email, with your Google. You are good to go. Email address, then it is easy. Then when it comes to you, when you sign up, you are going to start promoting their services. They are not going to ask you to put a website. You are not going to be asked to put anything. You just put in your details and you are good to go. So once you sign up, there is a link in the description down below that click on it to go and sign up. But what you need to do as a beginner, once you sign up as an affiliate to Fiverr, Fiverr wants you to promote their services. For example, logo design, as I mentioned earlier. They have so many logo designers there. So if you know somebody who is looking for how to hire a logo designer, you refer the person to Fiverr. So Fiverr is a great platform. They have professionals, they have intermediate level, beginner level logo designers. Any level you want is in Fiverr. Go and patronize them and get your work done for you. You tell them, you give them your link. Once the person clicks on that link to sign up to buy a service there in Fiverr, you are going to get commission. So you that doesn't have a skill, nothing, is going to get a commission for referring the person to the logo design to the logo designer in Fiverr, if that is what you are trying to promote. We have tons of services on Fiverr that you can promote. For example, we have video editing, we have YouTube thumbnail design, we have Facebook banner ads, we have different types of services online, different web development, app development, e-commerce store, different services that you can think of. So you can also, if you want to have an idea about what services to promote, you can go to Fiverr and scroll through their marketplace to see different types of services they have, so that you know the particular one you are familiar with, or any one you choose to promote. And again, what I want you to understand is this: they have different categories of services that you as an affiliate will promote to get commission. For example, if you promote services like e-commerce web development, you are going to get a $50 commission. But if you promote services like video editing, you might get $30 or $40 commission. So it all depends on what you are promoting, what particular service you are promoting as an affiliate. So what I want you to understand is this: the Fiverr affiliate commission is from the minimum is $15 to $150. So it depends on the particular service you are promoting and depends on the particular service you are promoting, and also the kind of service the person is buying. For example, I use logo design as an example again. Let me use it again. If the person you are referring to for the logo designer gig eventually hires a pro logo designer to do the job, you are going to get a $150 commission. Because like I said before, they have professionals, they have intermediate. So if the person you are referring uses a professional logo designer for the work, you are going to get a 100% $150 sign up bonus, $150 affiliate bonus. That is what you are going to get as an affiliate. So if you are lucky enough, the person you are promoting the service to buys a professional gig there, you are going to get $150 instantly from that one referral. So that is what I want you to understand again as a Fiverr affiliate. Now I have explained the different commissions in Fiverr and how you are going to sign up. It is free worldwide. How you are going to sign up as a beginner. Then the next step is, how are we going to promote this? I have also made research about how we are going to promote it for the 7 days, and let's see the results we are going to get together. So what I found out, and the best pattern we are going to use, there are different methods of how we are going to promote these Fiverr services, but the one we are going to go for in this video is Quora. What is Quora? In case you don't know what Quora is a Q&A website, the biggest and largest Q&A website in the world, number one Q&A website in the world, where people ask and answer questions. So we are going to be using Quora. If you don't have an account, go and sign up to Quora with your email address. Easy to sign up. With one click, you are there already. So go and sign up now after watching this video. So I made research about different types of different platforms of how we are going to promote these Fiverr services, but the best place I found out is Quora. So why did I choose Quora, and why are we using Quora? So Facebook, I can go to join Facebook groups as well to look for people that wants to hire a web designer, e-commerce web developer, logo designer, video editor, and the rest of it. But that method is kind of harder because you have to wait until when some such questions comes up in those groups. If nobody asks that question in that particular group you are in, that means you are not going to refer anybody. So that is why I chose Quora, because Quora, people are actively looking for answers to different questions. People are asking different questions and different answers. We are going to go with Quora and answer questions that are related to what we are looking for. For example, let's say we want to promote a gig that is on that is about video editing, YouTube video editing. We are going to go to Quora, and in the search bar we type in something like hire a video editor. Once we type in that word, hire a video editor, in the Quora search bar, related answers are going to pop up. Related answers are going to pop up, and also questions too are going to pop up. Then you are going to scroll down to see related answers that has already popped up. Then see how you are going to answer those related questions. Then insert your affiliate links there. Maybe you want to promote again another gig in Fiverr, like email marketing service or digital marketer, or writing an article. You want somebody, they are looking for somebody to write an article for them. You refer them, come to Fiverr. Fiverr has good writers, professional writers that can write any topic you want for you very well. You refer the person. Okay, you still type it in the search bar, hire a writer. If you type in that hire a writer on the Quora search bar, those related questions are going to pop up, and then you answer those questions. And when you are answering those questions, make sure you don't just answer, come to Fiverr, go to Fiverr, click on this link and go to Fiverr to hire somebody. No, it is not done that way. They are going to ban you. And also, when you are putting the links, you have to use your head, because if you start spamming on Quora, they are going to automatically ban you. So there is no spamming. You have to put in the real work here. So what I mean by real work is, if you want to answer any question, you are going to do something like this. I'm going to give you a script that I have made on how to answer questions in the description down below, so that you can go copy that one and modify it to your own way and start using it too as well. Modify it, don't just use that exact script, modify it and use it so that you have an idea on what you are going to write on Quora. But I am going to just explain that a little bit for you now so that you know what you are going to write. For example, you are promoting logo design gig on Fiverr. You will say, as you have typed in hire a logo designer or hire a video editor there, and those related answers start popping up, you click on it and you start answering. How you are going to answer is this: hey dear. If you want to answer the one of video editing, you will say, hey dear, if you are looking for where to hire a professional video editor, you go to Fiverr. They have great video editors there, intermediate, professional video editors there that can edit your videos for you at affordable price and very well. But before you hire any video editor, try and make sure you read reviews about the person to know if the person is actually good, if the person actually keeps the time and all, if the person is a good fit for that job. Read reviews about what people are saying concerning this video editor you want to hire. You read reviews of about 5 different people so that you can compare them to know which person you are going to hire on Fiverr to make the best decision. You tell them something like this, you write something like this, then you now put your Fiverr link down, and that is it. And again, if you are answering any question If you are answering any question on Fiverr, try and make sure you answer questions that are try and make sure you answer like 5 questions, then put 3 links in it. Don't put links on all the questions you answered. You can answer 5, then put 3. Put your links in three of it. That is how you are going to do it, so that we will not get banned. We are going to do this for 7 days. 3 days we are going to be answering five questions each for 3 days. For five questions every day for 7 days. Let us see the result we are going to get. I am going to personally share with you my result so that you will see it. My result after the 7 days, I'm going to make a video about it, show you my results, so that we are going to learn from it what my experience was, and what I think about this Fiverr affiliate marketing program too as well again. So you don't need any skill for this, because this is quite easy. You just tell the person to come and purchase a service of Fiverr and you get paid for it. That's the justice. So another thing I want you to take note of is this: Fiverr only pays you when the person that you are referring is a first-time buyer. If the person you are referring has already gone to Fiverr to hire a service before, Fiverr is not going to pay you. Fiverr is going to pay you only when the person is coming to Fiverr for the first time through your link. And again, another thing I want you to understand is Fiverr has different categories. They have Fiverr Co, Fiverr Learn, Fiverr CPA, and Fiverr Grip. But I don't want to confuse you with those different things. Fiverr CPA is the one. I'm going to just talk about Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. What is Fiverr Hybrid? When you are signing up to that, your Fiverr affiliate stuff, when you are getting your affiliate link, what you are going to do is to click on Fiverr CPA. That one is one-time payment. If somebody uses your link to sign up, Fiverr is going to pay you one time. But if you use this Fiverr Hybrid, Fiverr is going to pay you 10% of any amount the person you are referring to pays on Fiverr for 1 year. So it is not a lifetime something. If you refer somebody once under Fiverr CPA, Fiverr Hybrid, you are going to get 10% of the 10% of the amount the person spends on Fiverr for 1 year. So if the person you refer buys once on Fiverr and did not buy again, you are only going to get 10%. But if the person keeps coming back and keeps buying, that means you are going to be getting more money. But what if the person doesn't come back again to buy another service from Fiverr? Then you are going to get only 1%. So I am using the Fiverr CPA. That is one thing I want you to also put into consideration when you are promoting Fiverr gigs, to know if you are going to go with the Fiverr CPA or Fiverr Hybrid. So if you want to know how you are going to sign up, the sign up process very well, I am going to put a link in the description down below. That's the video I watched, so I'm going to refer you to that video so that you are going to sign up, and so that you are going to watch it in order to sign up and start making money as an affiliate in Fiverr.